Everyone talks about passive income like it's some magic button that makes you rich overnight. The truth is, most of what you hear online is either fake or overhyped. But there are real passive income streams that actually work, and today I'll share four of them with you. These are streams that normal people use to build steady income, not get-rich-quick scams. Stick around because the fourth one is the most powerful if you start early. Stream 1. Dividend Stocks and Index Funds. The first stream is dividend stocks and index funds. This is one of the oldest and safest forms of passive income. You buy shares of strong companies or an index fund like the S&P 500, and they pay you dividends, basically cash, from their profits. It's not huge at the beginning, maybe a few dollars a month, but over time, as you invest more, the dividends grow. The best part? If you reinvest those dividends, your money compounds and builds even faster. Think of it as planting a tree that gives you fruit every year. Stream 2. Digital Products. The second stream is digital products. This is one of the most practical ways to build passive income today. You create something once, like an ebook, a template, a course, or even digital art, and sell it online again and again. Websites like Gumroad, Etsy, or even Amazon Kindle make this easy. The work is up front, creating the product. But once it's done, the sales can keep coming in for months or even years with little extra effort. This is especially good if you already have skills you can package, like design, writing, or teaching. Stream 3. Rental Income. The third stream is rental income. This is the classic one. If you own property, you can rent it out and earn steady monthly income. But even if you don't own a house, there are other ways. For example, people rent out parking spaces, storage rooms, or even small equipment they own. Platforms like Airbnb made it possible to rent even a single room in your home. Rental income works because once the property is set up, the money comes in while you sleep. It's not 100% passive, you still need to maintain the property. But compared to a regular job, it's much more hands-off. Stream 4. Creating content online. The fourth stream is creating content online. And yes, this is one of the most underrated forms of passive income. YouTube, blogs, or even podcasts can generate money for years after the content is uploaded. A video you make today could still earn ad revenue 5 years later. The trick is to focus on evergreen topics, things people will keep searching for, like personal finance, health, or how-to guides. It takes time to build an audience, but once it's set up, your content keeps working for you long after you hit upload. So here's the truth. Passive income is not about getting rich overnight. It's about building systems that pay you again and again for the work you do once. Dividend investing, digital products, rental income, and online content are four streams that actually work if you stick with them. Which of these four would you start with today if you had to pick one? Drop your answer in the comments. I'd love to see your thoughts. And if you want to learn more, watch my video on 5 money mistakes keeping you broke. Because avoiding those traps is the first step before building passive income. I'll see you there.